And if we do just a simple example, and because what we're talking about here is a persona of a university professor, which means this is someone who has high subject matter expertise within the field of innovation, artificial intelligence, adoption, technology management, digital strategy, etc. So those are pertinent, specific areas and disciplines that the user claims to be having and to be expert in. So basically, now ChatGPT, the AI model, considers that you are expert or subject matter expert in that area. So he's going to draft the language in a way that actually fits you and understand it. So if I ask the model a question about artificial intelligence, something like, can you list to me 5 of the most appropriate ideas that I can build as an entrepreneur through the use of generative artificial intelligence? Perfect. And then we'll see here the way the response is structured. We'll see, of course, that it takes into consideration the instructions that I have given to the model. So the first thing that actually, which is pretty noticeable, is the structure of the response. So you can see that the model has structured the response in straightforward, short, clear statements in bullet points and sections. And you see here that's pretty easy to read. That's pretty easy to read, especially when you are at the first level of interaction with the model. And by the way, what I call the first level of interaction with the model is when you start in like a conversation about a certain topic, but you have not started digging yet deeper into that topic. You have not actually delved into the depth of the topic, but just like exploring and brainstorming ideas. That's a pretty good way for presenting the response. And if we look at what the nature of the content here, for a second.
Here are 5 entrepreneurial ideas leveraging alternative applications of artificial intelligence, AI. 1. AI-powered health monitoring and diagnostics. Concept: develop AI tools that monitor health metrics using wearable devices or smartphone sensors. These tools can provide real-time insights, detect early signs of diseases, or manage chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Alternative use: focus on underserved areas such as mental health diagnostics, night vision enhancement for those with impaired sight, or personalized rehabilitation programs. Now 2. AI.
So the first thing which is I observe here is that, as we said, because we have designed the persona in that specific way, so the model is actually presenting me with very advanced kind of ideas. Like it's assuming that I'm actually subject matter expert within the field of artificial intelligence and innovation. So the way it's presenting and drafting the idea for me, it's doing it as if it's doing that for a subject matter expert, not like a beginner within that field or someone who is not familiar with the innovation concepts and artificial intelligence concepts. So the model, it assumes that I have this built background and expertise within the field. And that actually what happens depending on the kind of persona that you have provided to the model. So this one is just an example. University professor and researcher is a first example persona.